Hello students, welcome to Science and Technology Part 2. Chapter number 7, Energy Flow in an Ecosystem. In last and today's unit in different videos we have already studied carbon cycle and oxygen cycle. Today we are going to study nitrogen cycle. As you are familiar that our atmosphere contains large amount of nitrogen, which is of 78% in the atmosphere. But this nitrogen is not directly utilized by living plants and animals, as it is most inactive and it does not react as easy as the other elements. It is necessary for maintenance of life cycle in nature. Environment मध्ये त्याची गरज आहे. The circulation and recycling of nitrogen gas into the form of different compounds through the various biotic and abiotic process in nature is called as nitrogen cycle. Different biotic and abiotic processes are involved in the nitrogen cycle. Now here in this diagram, atmosphere contains 78% of the nitrogen, but that nitrogen is not directly utilized by the living organisms. Nitrogen fixation takes place and then that nitrogen is made available. Hence you are asked one question: what is meant by nitrogen fixation? Means conversion of atmospheric nitrogen into the nitrates and nitrites is called as nitrogen fixation. How it takes place? There are three different methods of the nitrogen fixation. First one is the physical nitrogen fixation that takes place due to the lightning. Whenever there is this thunderstorm, म्हणजे जेव्हा आकाशामध्ये विजा चमकतात, at that time nitrogen is reacted with oxygen to form nitrate and nitrite, NO2 and NO3, and that nitrate and nitrite dissolve with water and reaches to the living organism. This is the physical nitrogen fixation. Second one is known as chemical nitrogen fixation. Chemical nitrogen fixation means nitrogen is in the form of chemicals. It is provided to the plants for their growth. For example, urea is one of the most important nitrogen rich fertilizer. And third one is the biotic nitrogen fixation. Biotic nitrogen fixation takes place with the help of rhizobia bacteria present in the root nodules of the plants, leguminous plants. Some blue-green algae like nostoc, anabaena, azolla. Now these blue-green algae fixes the atmospheric nitrogen into nitrates and nitrites and provide them to the plants through the water. ह्या बॅक्टेरिया वगैरे नायट्राइट्स तयार करतात, ब्ल्यू ग्रीन अल्गी नायट्राइट तयार करतात आणि त्या सॉइलमध्ये, वॉटरमध्ये ॲड केल्या जातात. नाउ धिस nitrates and nitrites which are deposited into the soil are made available for the plant for their growth, and through the plant they are passing to the different series of animals, that means to the different trophic levels, and nitrogen is circulated and it has been recycled through the atmosphere. Now we are going to detailize these processes once again. Here is the atmospheric nitrogen. Atmospheric nitrogen takes place in physical by lightning, physical fixation by lightning, and fixes into NO2 and NO3, nitrite and nitrate. Second one is biological, with the help of bacteria, either symbiotic or free living bacteria. And third one is industrial or chemical nitrogen fixation. इंडस्ट्री मध्ये नायट्रोजन रिच सबस्टन्सेस जे आहेत ते फर्टिलायझर्स म्हणून यूज केले जातात. Now these nitrites and nitrates are made available to the plants. They are made available to the plants. From plants they are provided to the animals. After the death of the plant, the dead remains also gets, or the excreta and urine also gets converted into the ammonia. The process is known as ammonification. And during this ammonification, remains of the plants and animals, then their urine and excreta, waste material which acts on different microorganisms and converted into ammonia. The process is known as ammonification. This ammonia is again converted into nitrites and nitrates through the process of nitrification, and this nitrite and nitrate is utilized by certain bacteria also, that is also known as denitrification, and released into the atmosphere. So there is a flow of, from atmosphere, the nitrogen flows in different directions and again reach to the atmosphere. Hence it is a cyclic flow of the nitrogen called as nitrogen cycle. All the organisms participates in nitrogen cycle. All the organisms means either microorganisms, then larger organisms. It is an important component of the protein as a nucleic acid. As compared to other elements, it is inactive and does not easily combine with the other element. हा दुसऱ्यांशी easily combine होत नाही. Most organisms cannot use free nitrogen from the atmosphere. As I have already told you that free nitrogen is not used by any living organism except blue-green algae. Now the important processes of nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen fixation, as I have already told that conversion of nitrogen into nitrites and nitrates through the atmospheric, industrial and biological process. Second one is ammonification, that is release of ammonia through decomposition of dead bodies and excretory waste of the organisms. Then nitrification means conversion of ammonia into nitrite and nitrate, and denitrification means conversion of nitrogen compounds into different forms, that is gaseous nitrogen. So these are four different processes which are essential in nitrogen cycle. From this you can write the answers to the given questions. Explain the nitrogen cycle with the help of diagram. Diagrammatic representation काढलं तरी चालणार आहे. Describe the important processes of nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen cycles मधल्या ह्या ज्या लास्ट 4 प्रोसेसेस होत्या त्या तुम्हाला डिस्क्राइब करायच्या आहेत. So you will conclude the unit nitrogen cycle. Thank you.